Maybe I'm not getting through to you. It's news to me that it's news to you. To which degree, who answers to who? We could go on and on, but in the end, who are we kidding? My divinity is past infinity. Am I getting through? Seems our regime has plummeted some. Why bite the hand that feeds when it's the only hand you're getting? Don't forget who's running the show! I'm the host, I run the place, and that is my name. Just feeling used. Oh. Public relations are getting a cleanse. Put on your Sunday best because I'm nowhere close to quit. You whine to me, but you're too blind to see that. Who's running the show?